So welcome students. In this question you are given that you have a parabola y square plus 4y plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. You are asked to find the directrix of this parabola. So again this is a shifted parabola, right? You have y square term and xy terms. So let us try to use the method of completion of squares to get the standard form of this parabola. So you have y square plus 4y is equal to minus 4x minus 2. So y square plus 4y needs a 4 to complete the perfect square. So I'll add 4 on both sides. So that implies you get y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 4x plus 2. That's nothing but minus 4 times x minus half. So now this is of the form y square is equal to 4a into x. So this is a shifted horizontal left-handed because you have a negative sign with the x term. So horizontal left-handed parabola, right, with vertex as half and minus 2. That's the vertex. So if you take the diagram of this graph of this parabola, the vertex will be half comma minus 2, that is half and minus 2 somewhere here, and the parabola would be looking like this. And what is the value of a for this? A is equal to 1. So for this a is equal to 1 because minus 4ax, a is equal to 1. So this point is half comma minus 2. Now to find the directrix, we know that the directrix will be at a distance of a units to the right of the vertex. So the directrix of the parabola will be a vertical line at a distance of 1 unit backwards from the vertex. So the x coordinate of this is half. If you go 1 unit backwards, the x coordinate will be equal to 3 by 2. So the directrix is x is equal to 3 by 2. Thank you.